Whoa, jeez. That wind just straight up blew me over in here. What was it? Oh, it's a giant crappie. Hey guys, welcome back for an episode of Hawkeye Bassin'. I did not get to do an intro for this video on the ice today. It was like -5 wind chill and like 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts, so it was crazy trying to get everything set up. So here's the intro for this. I took a couple buddies out to a pond today, trying to get them on some fish. We ended up catching some pretty good sized bluegill and a pretty fair amount of them. Caught one big crappie right at the end and a couple other decent crappie as well. So it was a pretty good day overall, minus the wind and the very low temperatures. We've had a lot of crazy weather here lately. It's been super warm, so we've been kind of limited on where we can go, but we found another pond today that had a solid 8 to 10 inches. But we have a crazy cold snap coming, so we're going to be going to all different kinds of bodies of water now instead of just the ponds. And in 2 weeks, we have the trip to Upper Red Lake in Minnesota, where hopefully we're going to get some giant walleye, some pike, some perch, and some crappie. So thanks again for tuning in for another episode, guys. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, and let's get into fishing. There's a good gill. It's a 3mm tungsten jig and wax worms. We also got some minnows too. It's super cold, super windy if you haven't heard that already. We kind of set the shack up real quick in the wind, and we're catching a few fish in there, but I'm going around trying to find a school of them. Jeez, there's a freaking toad crappie. Check that out, guys. That is a nice crappie right there. What was it? Oh, it's a giant crappie.
Oh, that's a crappie?
Yes. Oh my gosh. I just got that.
Look where your line ended up.
Oh my gosh. You got it off?
Yeah,
holy crap. Yeah, I got it. That came off right at the hole. This is a nice one too.
Dude, that looked like a bass.
Holy smoke. There's a nice white crappie right there.
Wow.
Alright guys, we got another fish. Decent bass.
We should have kept that one earlier. No, we don't need to keep bass. Yeah,
Look at that little bass. Probably 12, 13 inches. Fun fish. So it's kind of surprised me. We've been catching a lot of little gills, and all of a sudden that came up and bit it. Good fish. Good fish. Oh yeah. A decent bass. There you go. There's one. Oh, no, nice gill. Whoa, jeez. That wind just straight up blew me over in here. Yeah. Alright guys, so we are changing spots. It is super windy, so this may turn into more of a comedy video instead of a fishing video. Well, I collapsed everything except for these two. Yep. Jeez. Stirred it. Mike's got one now. Big gill.
Wow.
Big old gill. Sweet. I've never marked this many fish on my another good gill. I'm marking so many fish, it's ridiculous. I think you can see my screen. There's just literally probably hundreds of fish down here right now. Alright, Mike just caught another one. I'm gonna drop down with a fresh wax worm. See how long this takes. Boom, got him. This is a decent one.
Is it?
Yep. We can get another one real quick. Got another one. Another. This one's bigger than the last one.
This is big.
Another awesome bluegill. I'll come out here. They're the Vexlar crew. That's what. So I apologize for the very loud, annoying buzzing noises.
Come on.
Loud noises!
There it is. Right when I set my pole down. Oh, this is a good bluegill. It's got to be. Yeah, look at that one. Holy crap.
How you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Alright guys, so there's a look at that big bluegill just caught.
What is wrong with my...
That is a nice one. There's
Oh, that everywhere on. Is that a nice one?
yeah. Oh yeah, holy.
Wow.
There's a freaking giant. Look at the size of that gill, guys. Look at that purple. What a pretty fish. There's a giant. That's 10-incher. Zach's got one. Oh, that's a nice gill. No, you got a nice gill, dude.
Lift up your back.
Tangled up. There's a nice gill. For sure. This reel sounds so good.
What is it? 15 feet from the bottom? Yeah, it's about 15, 16.
Another good gill, guys. We were just killing them out here. This is the second holes we drilled.
Oh, yeah.
Second or third hole we drilled, we only saw a couple of them on our marker, but then we set up and there's a whole school of fish here.
Nice one?
Yeah, I think it's another fair one.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, that's a good one, actually.
Nice one right there. Easy 9 inches.
There's another nice one, guys. Yep. Another nice one. Whoa, this is a nice bluegill. I think, no, it's a pretty good one. There's one. Another good, ouch, dang. Another good gill. That's gotta be decent fish.
Sounds like it's fun.
Oh, big gill, giant. Yeah. That's not big.
Oh, nice. Put that one on the...
Biggest one we've gotten today. So maybe you guys can tell me this. Is this normal? Well, I guess it doesn't look crazy now. It was going nuts there for a minute.
Like on fire.
Got tangled around my other pole again. Okay, no more dead stick in a minute. Alright guys, so that's pretty much going to do it for the day. We caught probably around 30 or 40 bluegills we released, so I think we ended up keeping like a dozen. We caught 2 crappies, one like 13-incher at the end, which is a good catch for this video. It is currently -2 out. We got the door open, we're just packing up. But I think we're going to go out again tomorrow, so hopefully we'll have another video for you tomorrow. But thanks again for tuning in, guys. Make sure you subscribe and like this video.